Hi there! I'm excited to share my raw jackfruit kofta curry recipe with you. This kofta curry turns out to be a hit every time I make it. And since jackfruit is in season, you'll be able to cook and enjoy this recipe too. Did you know that kathal or jackfruit is a high fiber, high protein and low fat vegetable? To support my channel, do subscribe. Click the bell icon to get updates. To make the koftas, I am heating half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. I have one small onion really finely chopped. I'll add it and then cook it on medium heat till the onions are lightly colored. I added in a pinch of salt. This looks perfect. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Keep the heat low now. Toss it around till the raw smell goes away. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down completely. I got some really tender jackfruit in the market. I just love the taste. And for the koftas, I am using steamed jackfruit that I have chopped up, removed the middle, and some steamed potatoes. If your jackfruit is not as tender as this one and the seeds are developed, then you need to take out the seeds and peel them before using them in the kofta. So to make the koftas, I have the jackfruit in a bowl. To this, I'll add in half a teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, a large pinch of kasuri methi powder, some piri piri. You could add in red chili flakes. I'll add in one medium sized potato, 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan. Roast it on low heat, and the fried onion masala. And all you have to do is mash it up and mix everything up. Bit of salt for seasoning according to taste. I'll add in another half potato. Mix it in. Then I'll add 1 slice of bread. Give it a final mix. Taste and adjust the seasoning if required, and the mixture is ready. Perfect. Use a bit of vegetable oil or ghee on your palms before you start shaping the kofta balls. Now the kofta balls can be of any size that you want. Make sure that there are no cracks on the surface and you should be good to go. Make kofta balls out of the entire mixture. Be gentle while shaping them. I got 14 this time. Hot oil and the moment of truth. Yeah, they are good. Always fry one, and in case it breaks, then add in a bit more binding and make the koftas again. They should be fine. I hope you try the recipe. It's really good, and if you like it, then do let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Once the koftas have a nice color to them, drain the oil and take them out. Fry the rest. We let them cool down while we make the gravy. The dry spices. This is 1.5 teaspoon of dhania powder, coriander, 3/4 teaspoon of jeera, cumin powder, about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'll add in a bit of water and make a paste. Keep it ready. To make the curry, I'm using the oil in which I fried the koftas. So I have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot oil here. To this, I'll add in some jeera, cumin seeds as tempering, say about half a teaspoon. And I have a small onion grated that I'll add in. Jackfruit curry or kofta always tastes really good with onions in it. I'll cook this till it turns light pink in color. The onion is cooked. So let's add in half a teaspoon of garlic paste or grated garlic and half a teaspoon of grated ginger or paste ginger. Lower the heat. Cook briefly till the raw smell goes away. And add in the masala paste. Cook for a minute. The oil has started separating. I'll just wash the bowl and add in the leftover masala. Once the oil starts separating all over, I'll add in some fresh tomato paste, maybe 4 tablespoons. Yeah, that should do. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Season with salt to taste. Cook again till the oil starts separating. I'll pour in about 1.5 cups of water for the gravy. Let that come to a boil. I'll drop in the koftas, all of them. Check the seasoning and adjust it at this point. Lower the heat, cover it and let it boil away. Let's check this a final time. For the final touch, a bit of ghee, sprinkling of garam masala powder and some coriander greens. Mix lightly and turn off the heat. Let them rest for a couple of minutes before you serve them. Some coriander greens right before you serve. Serve it hot with rice, roti or paratha. Enjoy!